Okay, freshman, a real quick description as to what you're supposed to do with this lab. So this is kind of a mixed up version of the lab you'd have done in class where it had a whole bunch of different articles, different around the room. I mean, pieces of equipment, shells, everything for you to identify. You're simply going to use the internet and the notes we took and the discussions in the notes to try and answer these questions. So you're going to have to go through the internet. You're going to have to actually, then go through my notes also, click on some video clips, and then just go through this real short little shell lab. Like in the idea is to try and get you a connection to, I guess how we run into mollusks, mainly when you go beach combing and when you go to restaurants and that kind of stuff. So a little bit here, just you have to identify a couple of shells, genus, write down their genus and species, and put down the common name with it on one of the lines. So genus and species and common name. Use the internet, look it up, but there's ways of identifying the different ones, and you should be able to do those three. They're pretty simple. Answer a couple of questions, and then here are cockle shells and scallop shells. Reason because a lot of us eat scallops, so we'll put that in there. Down below here, real simple. You're going to find a seafood restaurant somewhere and come up with 3 entrees, what they might cost that have to be mollusk entrees. I got to fix that. 3 mollusk entrees, and you got to know what those are. So you got to know what constitutes a mollusk. And lastly, oh my God, it's my favorite thing that I learned how to eat down in Florida, like I told you, is oysters. Our oysters. Find a video on how to eat oysters. There's a whole bunch of them on YouTube. Find one, watch it, cut and paste the link, and describe how you eat the darn things. And if anybody's eaten it, I'd love to hear your opinions of them or what you think of it. It'd be kind of cool. So anyways, that's all you got to do with this lab. It's pretty simple. It's already made a copy. Just fill it in and turn it in. All right, freshmen, have fun.